Hi everyone, I'm Mitchell Ram with the Rockcash Ram Group here at Cole Banker West Shell, and I'm joined by fellow agent Brad Feldhaus. We are in front of one of our listings at 5109 Halifax in Green Township.
We wanted to show you a few key features of this house, one being the gourmet kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and designer backsplash that has an open concept into the living room with a lot of natural light, great for entertainment. Now we're on the second level in the master suite. We have tray ceilings, walking in right into our master bath. We're in the master bath with the double vanities, a double head shower, white with today's look and feel, that walks into a huge walk-in closet.
This is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath with over 4,000 square feet. Taking a step outside to enjoy our flat, easable backyard and all these vista views. Thanks for checking out our listing here at 5109 Halifax. For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact me at 513-703-7774.